The suit on alleged fabrication of false evidence against a member of Nigeria Institute of Architecture (NIA), architect Stephen Okunade, by an Abuja-based lawyer, James Idi. The charge, which is a direct criminal complaint, says Idi converted the statement of two witnesses to obtain statement on oath from the FCT High Court without their knowledge. When the matter came up for hearing on Tuesday, counsel representing the complainant, Barrister Abiodun Olutekunbi, informs the court that it is proper for the defendant, Barrister James Idi, who is representing himself in the matter, to enter the dock and to take his plea so as not to go against the professional ethics. He cited Section 109 and 269 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, ABUJA, maintaining that where the defendant appears before the court to defend himself in a matter, he is required to enter the dock to take his plea. In his response, the defendant, Mr. Idi, says a counsel can appear for himself, robed in a matter which he is an accused, enjoying the full privileges accorded to a lawyer. He added that it will not be proper to subject a lawyer to the dock in a matter he appears to defend himself. But when the argument continues, even after the court returned from 10-minute recess, counsel to a member of the NIA, Olutekunbi, told the court that he does not want to continue with the matter, based on the fact that the defendant is misdirecting the court on point of law. The magistrate, Njideka Duru, then rules that having considered turnout of events over disagreement on whether the plea must be taken from the dock, she has recused herself from the hearing so that the court will be free from bias, adding that the case will be returned to the Central Registry for reassignment. After the proceedings, counsel speak to press on the failed arraignment.
Anyway, the defendants were actually due to take their plea today because the criminal summons was already issued on the defendant to appear. But you know, as a counsel, sometimes we try to stretch the law and then try to bring something out of it. So very unfortunately, so to say, the proceeding of today cannot go on, and then because of the series of arguments back and forth on the case, the court saw the need to revert back the case to the Central Registry for reassignment of the case so that each parties will have a fair bite at the cherry.
This will be the second time the court will be reassigning the matter. Joseph Kadri, ITV News, Abuja.